Epic Games Store regularly give away free games every week, usually changing every Thursday. You might be missing out on the free games right now. Let me show you how to download free games on Epic Games. First of all, you must have the Epic Games application installed on your Windows and you have registered using your Epic Game account. For those of you who want to know how to download and install the Epic Game application, you can click at the top of this video. Okay, so first, when you open the Epic Game application, there are usually a mix of free games and paid games. So here we will look for free games. At the top you can click browse, and then on the right there is a filter. Here you can filter games based on event, genre, and also based on price. Click on the price section and there you tick the free one. Then all the free games will appear, and here will also appear games that were previously paid, and there are events or promotions so that you can download them for free. So here as an example, I will click on the one of the free games and I will download it. Click get to save the game to library. And you need go to the library. Then you can immediately install the games that you add to your library. Make sure your connection is good to download the game. And after downloading, you can immediately play the game. So thank you for watching and see you in another one.